Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up the Google Pixel for the first time. Now to begin, make sure that you put in your SIM card so that we can set up the device. Okay, so I'm going to put in the SIM card, have the metal contact facing upwards, and the SIM tray is on the left hand side of the device. Now once you have put in the SIM card, press on the power button at the top here to switch on the device. And once you boot up device, it will show us the Google logo. Now don't worry about the crack screen because your device will not be cracked. It's just my device is cracked at the moment. We're probably going to stay cracked like this for a while. And now when you boot up for the first time, you might have to wait for a while because the phone will try to initiate the software, and it will do a lot of processing on the background. Okay, next you will need to connect to a Wi-Fi. So I'm going to connect to this Wi-Fi right here. Now put in the Wi-Fi password and tap on the connect button. And this will allow your device to connect to the internet. Now it may try to check to see if there's any latest update to the software. So this process may take some time. Just be patient and wait. Now on this screen, you can choose if you want to copy apps and data by transferring data from another device to your phone. If you do, you can tap on the next button, or you can choose don't copy. So in this video, I'm going to choose don't copy. Okay, next you can sign in with your Google account. Now you will need to use the Google account later on to install apps and other services. So if you can sign into Google now. Otherwise, you can tap on the skip button right here, and you can sign in later on from the settings menu. So here I'm going to tap on skip. Okay, next you can choose to use location or not by tapping on the toggle button here to turn it on or off, and then tap on more, then tap on accept. Next you can put in a lock screen passcode. So I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4 and tap on next, and I'll put it in again 1, 2, 3, 4, then tap on confirm. Next is a unlock with pixel imprint. So if you want to set it up, you can do so now. So you can tap on the next button to do that, and at the back here there is a fingerprint. You can tap on that, and that will allow you to the device to read your fingerprint. And then tap on next and say getting your phone ready, and that's it. So now we have successfully set up the device with the basics function. Now remember before how we skip the sign into Google account. You can swipe down, and in here you'll be able to access settings. It says that the phone is now still trying to set up the installation of apps and other services. So just wait for that to finish first. And there is a button here. You can tap on finish setup, and it says finish pixel setup, copy your data, talk to Google Assistant, and more. So you can choose to set up now or remind me later. And it says remind me tomorrow. Now to set up your Google account, just swipe down to open up the notification menu here and tap on the settings button. In here you can tap on your profile icon at the top to sign into your Google account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.